What if I told you that Russia used jet engines not for war but to fight snow? Not just any snow. Snow so thick it could trap planes, freeze soldiers, and shut down entire cities. This is the story of the MiG-snow blaster. Machines burned from Cold War jets, now blasting ice with volcanic heat. Let's dive into one of the most extreme winter solutions ever built. Russian winter are brutal. Runways freeze, planes get stuck, lives are lost. In World War II, thousands of soldiers froze before they ever reached battle. Even today, snow can shut down airports and military bases in minutes. The problem is, how do you clear ice fast enough to keep planes flying? Engineers took old MiG fighter jets engines, one symbol of war, and gave them a new job, melting snow. These engines blast air hotter than lava over 1000 degrees centigrade. They were mounted on trucks and aimed at frozen runways. Jet engines compress air, ignite fuel, and shoot out fire and pressure. That force hit the snow, turning it into steam instantly. It's not just melting, it's vaporizing. These machines are loud, over 140 decibels. That's louder than a gunshot. They can ignite fuel spills. Workers have been burned or defamed. Some even use nuclear aircraft engines. Western airports use plows, chemicals, and heated runways. So why didn't NATO adopt jet snow blasters? Environmental risk, safety concern, and political tension. Are these machines brilliant or dangerous? In Russia, they are still used in remote areas. Their roar echoes through blizzards like thunder. Sometimes the most extreme problems need the most extreme solutions. Jet engines were built for war, but in the heart of winter, they became tools of survival. This is not just a story about snow, it's a story about human creativity, desperation, and fire against ice. If this information moved you, share it. Let the world see how far we will go to keep moving forward, even through the coldest storms.